Hello Jewels, welcome to my channel. It's the holiday season and I thought why not do an install with my purple and plum wig with my dark roots. It's perfect for the season. Let's get into it and let's get ready with me. You see we have the two combs on the side, one in the back. We also have that elastic band, my favorite part. We have that Swiss lace, medium brown, and this beautiful purple. Right now I'm just brushing the wig, just trying to, see what I want to do with it, fitting it to my head, just, seeing what I want to do, working through it. I think I'm going to do a side part this time. And I also want to show you guys this amazing hairline. Pre-plucked, everything's already done for you except cutting the lace. This unit is from Myfirstwig. This is also the wax stick from Myfirstwig. I'm going to just, move these hairs back, straighten it back, just so when I cut the lace, I don't cut any of the hair. I want to minimize me cutting some of the hair off. It's giving me natural scalp. That's what it's giving me. Please don't pay attention to my ugly nails or my big eyes. I get real focused and in the zone when I'm installing a wig, especially this one because it's so bright. This is the brightest wig I've ever installed on myself. I'm just starting to get into this color. Yes, look at those edges. Lace wear. I'm loving it. So beautiful. Look at this parting. This is 13 by 6, but I will have the details below. I'm not a big fan of baby hair, so I'm just going to actually just apply this wig, do my little sideburns, because my natural sideburns are really thick and long, so I always make sure I lay the sideburns down. It looks natural for me because my sideburns actually look like that. You have to love this color. It's so beautiful. So beautiful. Very full. Look at that. Beautiful hair. Apparently I had that thing on super tight, but that will go away. And don't mind my brows because I'm actually doing my makeup while doing this install. Boom. You never see nobody do no eyeshadow that quick. I am just too good. You know that's a lie. I'm definitely taking breaks in between this, but you see me working through it. What you guys think so far? And voila. What you think? I almost want to keep it straightened just like this because it's so pretty. Oh my god. And my eye makeup, I fell in love with it. It went so perfect with this hair. I was so intimidated when I seen this color, and I'm loving it as the process, moves forward. Please comment below. Let me know what you think. I was so, you know, scared to get this wig. I didn't see anybody do a review on it, so I definitely took a chance, and I'm so happy I did. I love this wig. I've been getting so many compliments on it, I don't want to take it off. My faces be all kinds of ugly when I'm installing wigs, but it's okay because I do look, I come together at the end, so you'll see. It's worth it. It's worth looking at these crazy faces I make. This is my first time using this 2-in-1 curling iron from Foxy Bay, so just bear with me. You can see I don't know what I'm doing, but these curls are coming out so bomb, so I don't even care that I look like I'm struggling because the end product is beautiful. Look at those colors just intertwining with each other. I love it. And voila, what do you guys think? I definitely love this loose curl. It is so beautiful. I love it straight too, so I'm definitely going to rock it straight. But right now, I'm just going to rock these curls and wait till it falls, and we're going to do it straight. What do you guys think? You can definitely see all the colors that they put in this wig when those curls are flowing. This is probably my favorite wig from my first wig. And now I'm ready. Where are we going? Where I'm going? Nowhere but to bed after this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And please comment below. Until next time, bye Jewels, and have a nice holiday. Mwah.